I woke up today and my day is already ruined. Why is it so cloudy? I already want to go back to sleep. But I remember what Kim Kardashian said. She said, get your butt up and work. So I went to work out and here is my morning skincare routine. Thank you Biossance for sponsoring this video. I usually don't cleanse my face in the morning, but since I worked out, I am cleansing my face with a cleanser. Also, did you know that the whole Biossance line is on sale right now? Because the Sephora savings event sale is happening right now. Look at the screen for the date. I'm gonna go in with the Squalene and Copper Peptide Rapid Pumping Serum, and here is the start of my morning skincare routine. And this serum is gonna give me that hydration I desperately need for the day. Biossance is known for their squalene, and squalene is a moisturizing ingredient. So you already know my dry skin loves this. Since it's the holiday season, if you need to give your family or your friends a gift for the holidays, look no other than Biossance. And y'all, I've been using this for years. This is the squalene and vitamin C rose oil. I will confidently say that this is the most moisturizing vitamin C I ever tried. Also, don't forget to wear your sunscreen. And that is all for my morning skincare routine. Thank you again, Biossance.